Alright guys, I am back with another video today. You should have seen the wheel reveal video already by now. If not, it will be in the description below or up here at the top. I don't know how to do that yet, but we'll figure it out. And today, however, the wheels that I got are a 66.5 hub size, and Audi in this generation, in these years, hub centers were 57.1. So I got hub rings from ECS, the aluminum ones, and I'm gonna put those on today and hopefully show you guys just me putting them on. And the purpose of the hub rings are to eliminate the vibrations that come around, at least for me, around 75-ish miles per hour. You get like a slight vibration and this should correct the issue. Other than that, there's really no other purpose for them besides just correcting the vibrations. So yeah, let's get to it. So yeah, just another look at the wheels themselves. They are the Vincenzo's M152, I believe. If not, I'll correct it with like text or whatever. And they're on the Hankook Ventus V12 Evo 2s. Alright, focus. Taking a little bit too long there. But yeah, so we're gonna get this car jacked up and put the wheels on. So we're gonna get the car jacked up and install these hub Centric rings. That should be it for the car today. I think we got some other things I need to do. Errands I need to run. My sister graduates tomorrow from high school. Don't see how that happened, but hey, she's graduating, so kudos to her. So I'm gonna start with this. Oh, I gotta sneeze. I'm gonna start with this, and yeah, don't ignore my paint spot right there. I don't really know where that came from. It's just sad, to be honest. The clear coat is wearing off on that spot, and I really need to get that done soon because it's getting bigger by the day. But yeah, so we're gonna kind of get started. First, I need to get the jack. I'm just gonna use the one that came with the car. I know a lot of you guys can be like, "Oh, why are you using that? That's not really that safe." And but it's worked the past couple times that I've used it, so it's just gonna use. I mean, it's made for the car, so why not use it? Yeah. So this little bad boy right here is gonna do the job today because I don't know where the other jack is in the garage. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this one. Alright, so that is the hub ring that came with the wheels. Just the one hub ring itself that came with it. And as you see, it is plastic. So the ones I'm going to be replacing it with, back out. Get out the bag, are these from ECS. They're aluminum, and like I said, it's a 66.5. Actually, let me just take it out the bag. The ring right here and supposed to be putting on. Alright, so yeah, we just drop it in there like this. Drop it in there like that and use something just to kind of, you know, apply it in there. Oh, that's not tight. But yeah, that is the end goal right there. I'm gonna do that on all four of those. All four wheels, and I'm not gonna record the rest because I mean I already showed you one. But yeah, but I'll pick up later after I finish this. Alright, cool. Alright, so that is the goal. I am not gonna record me doing all four of them just because you already saw one, so there's no need to show the other three. But yeah, I got some other stuff to do today. I may take you guys along with me. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I need another video for YouTube because it's been entirely too long because I've been posting videos constantly. Alright guys, I am back. So the rings are installed and I'm about to go out and see if they did actually make a difference. Just a quick little test before I have to get on the road and pick up my brother tonight from Detroit, the one with the Evo X, the final edition. He's coming into town from our sister's graduation. So yeah, I'm gonna pick him up tonight and I'm gonna test these rings out like I said before I go and get him from the airport. So yeah. Alright guys, so I am I am back, about to go pick up my brother, like I said, the one with the Evo X from the airport. He's coming in for her graduation back there, which is tomorrow. She is graduating from high school tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna... What?
Actually guys, from college, I'm older than him. I don't know why he always tries to show
How old are you then?
How old am I?
Yeah.
23.
You're such a lot. So when were you born?
1994.
She's not. She's only 17.
I'm finna turn 18 because I'm graduating.
You don't turn 18 until September. But anyway, we're about to go.
That make me get right.
The rings, they did work. There's a very, 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 very slight vibration. But I think that's just from the thin profile tires. But yeah, just very, very slight vibration. But I think that's just from the thin profile tires. But yeah, this is getting heavy. So we're about to go. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the deal. Peace out.